Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to write our spelling words with our colors. So the first word at the top is chick, chick, and we're going to write chick with brown. So I put chick right here, and then I cross it off. The next word is bath, bath, and bath goes with pink. So here's pink, here's bath, it goes there. My next word is thick, thick, and thick goes under red. So we'll put it right here. And then cross it off. My next word, let's sound it out. Sock, sock. Sock goes with gray. Gray is down here on the bottom. Sock. The next word is that, that, and that goes with orange. That. My next word is neck, neck, and neck goes with yellow. So I'm going to put it right here. Neck. Good. We're doing a great job, boys and girls. My next word is whack, whack, and whack goes with blue. Whack. Good. The next word is tick, tick, and tick goes with green. Tick. Here we go. Two more. The next word is, oh look, these are almost the exact same word except there's just one vowel different. Block goes with black. See how that's almost the same? And the last one is thin, and thin goes with purple. Good. And you don't need to color this side because on the back side we're going to be coloring a reindeer. So you're going to find all of the SH words and color them green. So for example, I see that there is an SH word here, so I'm going to color this whole space green around the reindeer because that one says ship. Okay, so this whole thing, it looks like he's going to be wearing a wreath. My TH words are going to be red. So like for example, right here is the word third. That means he's got his little thing here is red. So find all of the THs and color them red. WH will be black and CH is going to be brown. So go ahead and finish coloring the reindeer and then make sure you take your time and do your best and then do what your teacher would have you do next.